Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. You have an active Jantit account, 2FA configured, and the app installed on your device. Open the app and sign in. Grant required permissions for VPN profile installation. Once signed in, pick a server region close to you for better latency. Make sure to note any trial limits or bandwidth caps. If asked, allow the app to create a VPN profile. This is necessary for system-level routing. Now you're ready to move into connection details and configuration. Once the profile exists, choose your protocol. WireGuard gives higher throughput. Use OpenVPN if you need broader device support. Configure core settings. Enable the kill switch to block traffic if the VPN drops, turn on DNS leak protection, and set auto reconnect so the app restores the tunnel automatically. Then select your server and connect. After connection, verify your IP and run a quick speed test, 1 to 3 pings or the app's built-in checker, to confirm expected performance before finish by validating that all traffic flows through Jantit. Check your public IP and DNS. If you notice slow speeds or failures, follow a clear troubleshooting path. First, restart the app and device, then try switching protocols or connect to a different nearby server. If the problem continues, enable logging, note timestamps, and send logs to Jantit support. One key tip: if the tunnel repeatedly drops, double-check that the kill switch is active so no traffic leaks during outages. Then escalate with logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.